Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, to continuation to my organizational management, so I'm going to do a different way. What a different way. We create one more department, how to work. Okay, so let me go back and I will create one more company from create. Yes, I will click here and here I will click PRB, let's say, and what I will do, let's say finance department. Okay, and sorry. So I have to click here. Let's say you have you have done mistaken and click enter and you come here. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to right click and click on object description. And from there you can, let's say you have to click objects and click on edit. From there you can PRA to finance department. We can create like this. Okay. Click on save tab and go back. So let me, now you will be able to see this. Now I have to create two departments, sub-department here. So let me, and I will click, go back and go back. And again, click on enter. And I will select this and click on sub-department, let's say AP and AR, that is account payable and receivable. Okay, I have created two departments just because of learning purpose. You can create multiple. Okay. So now the same thing. I have to create one department, same like HR department. I will click here, staff department, and click on position. I've created already a job. So first I want to create one department head. Okay. Let's say HB. Now FY finance, and I will mention it. Prabhu. Finance head of department. I need only one, and validity period is 111990. So one position I've created. Now what I will do, I will select this, click on position, and I will click PRB. I have to create one manager, enter, and here I will give AP, account payable manager, number of position requested one only, and I will click one more here. I will click here and PRBNG, enter, and I will give AR here, account receivable. Receivable manager, only one position I need. And under this, I want one assistant manager. I will click here, PRB. Hope you understanding assistant manager, enter, and here AP, account payable, save, and here again I will create one more. And here I will AR, account receivable, and save. And I will create two executive there, PRB executive. And here it is AP. And how many? I need only two. Save. And here also I will create. Do one thing. What I will do, again, I will select this and position executive. And here, let's say AR and AR, and I will create group here and save. And see, mistakenly, I have created account receivable executive in account payable section. So please don't worry. You just have to select this and click here, and you have to click on move. Okay, this option F5 and system where I want to, I will click here, here. It's that simple. Okay, just click, move, where I will click here and save. So this is how we can move. If we mistakenly created some no, position or a department under some different department or different no, section, so we can easily do that. Okay. So now I have to make reporting structure. So where we have to go, I will select this. I have to go to and click on reporting structure. And under this, I have to select this Prabhu account receivable manager and click on elevate. And he will supervise assistant manager. And then I will click assistant manager, click on elevate, click on assistant will supervise these two executive. It's very simple. This is how you create. Okay. Now I will go back and I will select this, click on go to reporting structure and see, I will click this, I will choose elevate, save and click here, click on elevate, select both the options, save. Okay, so it's very simple. Now what I will do, I will take a screenshot of this again, because if I want to make relationship between see one, let's say if I want to report, if I want to make, no, if I want to make that account payable manager and account payable receivable manager will report to department head, then this thing is done in only expert mode. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just, and I will paste it and we'll go back to expert mode. Okay. So now I will go back, and here I have to go to positions and I have to mention the position here. So which position? Let's say 31459 000 enter, and this is finance department head. And I have to select this relationship. I have to click on create tab and from which date 010119 and 0. And here it is B, same object 002, enter. I have to select position and here I have to give that managers account receivable manager 461 000 31461, enter. So this is account receivable manager, save. And again, I will create one more relationship with 010119 and 0. Again, I have to give here B and 002, same objects. Okay, we will be doing 003 for example. Okay. So here I have to choose position and here I will give 000 and this is 60, I think. And so this is account payable manager, save. So my thing is done and two departments are created. Now what we have to do, I have to create one object. Let's say in under expert mode, I will create one more. Let's say this is Prabhu Group of Industries. Okay, and click on create. Under this, we have I will create Prabhu PMOT, and here motors, save. And now we need one, let's say position, staff assignment, and I will select this. I will click. I haven't created CEO. I will check this. Do we have one CEO there? So I will take, let's say chairman. I will choose this option and CEO. Industries. Okay, so chairman. Okay, and click on save tab, and I will create one board of director here. So click position, BOD. Do we have BOD of board of directors? Yes, I will. Sorry. This I will 190. See it. PMOT. Promoters. Now, so this is created. Now what we have to do, say we have to assign these two objects. Okay, so first I will assign these two. Okay, board of director will report to chairman, Prabhu Industries. So 468 and 469. Now we go back, do one thing, take a screenshot of this, and I will mention here. Now go back here in position 31469, enter. So this is board of director. Okay, and I will select this, create one relationship, and 010119 and I will give here B. Okay, and so no, I will give here A because board of director will report to chairperson. 002 enter, reports to which position. So I will click here and I will mention like 000, and here I will give 8, enter. So this is chairman. I have to add it now. Chairman, I have mentioned it, chairman industry. Okay, I have to click save here, and I have to create one more. Let's say I have to make finance department head and HR department head will report to uh, the chairman. Okay, 68. So I will click. Sorry, board of director. They will report to board of director to 69. Enter, and I will select relationship between. Let's say so 010119 and 0, and this is B. Now 002, enter. I have to click position here, and here 459 459. Okay, recruitment man. Sorry, this is finance department head. Okay, finance department head will report to board of directors. Save. Now I will create one more 010119 and 0, and here that is B. 02, enter, click here, and I have to see 448 448. Enter, and click on save tab. Now what we have to do, we have to assign human resource department and finance department to Prabhu Motors. Okay, so how to, now I will use, let's say I will go back. Now I will go to organization unit, and here I will mention 000612666. 61266. Enter. So this is Prabhu Motors, and I have to create relationship. I will click here and 010119 and 0, and I have to give like B002, enter, and here organization unit, and which, let's say 61259 000 61259, enter. So HR department belongs to Prabhu Motors. Click on save, and I will create one more, and 010119 and 0, and B002, enter, organization unit, and which is 61262. Okay, finance department. So everything is connected. Now what I will do, I will go back and go to display and see everything is connected now. So this is how we create separate things separately. Then we assign all these things to each other. So this is very easy to do things. Now, so if I go here, I will click staff assignment. So each and everything is there. Clear? You can click here. You can see the structure, graphical structure. Do let's say whatever kind of reporting you need, how you want to print out it, you can choose from here. Okay, so this is it for today's session. In next class, what I will do, I will try to teach you so creation of one structure from here, organize topic. Okay, so keep tuning. If you hope you like my videos, hope it is helpful for you. Okay, so please, if you like this video and you are watching till now, so please do subscribe and share into your span. Okay, and keep tuning for my next video. Bye bye. Take care.